pa ng partial puno at pagiging patas, pero sa publiko, may mga pahayag na hindi mapapata.
While VP Sara is in power, the threat of a full-blown Duterte comeback is still a very real and present danger.
Madam President, sinusugundahan ko rin po ang motion ni Senador Mig Zubiri na strike ang video po na iyan sa record nitong sesyon. Ganito na ba kababa ang inaabot ng politika sa Pilipinas?
Noong April 22 sa Soler, nagkita si Tito Soto at House Speaker D para pag-usapan kung ano ang papakialaman sa 1987 Constitution habang nakaupo si Bongbong Marcos.
I would like to take exception of my being mentioned there. I have never been in favor of cha-cha. Charter change? Never. You should not be surprised if I often see Bojidi. Because Bojidi is my golf mate. As a matter of fact, there was one time na sinasabi yung meeting daw namin, Senator Lacson was there.
Magde-deny yung mga nandoon sa meeting na yon at pabubulaanan yung aking sinabi, then sasabihin ko kung sino ang nagsiwalat sa amin. Kasi magugulantang ang buong bansa.
Ako yung sinasabi ni Lito Banayo na source because we used to have this Thursday eating club. Walang out of, wala naman seryoso sa pag-usapan. So, I shared, sabi ko, kanina nga pala nung Monday or Tuesday, sabi ko na napapag-usapan na i-increase yung number of senators. So parang kwentuhan lang yon. Kung seryoso yon, hindi ko ikukwento kasi sensitive kung seryoso. So with that, I support the motion of the former Senate President, former Majority Leader Mig Zubiri na to strike off the record yung mga portions na offensive sa mga kapwa natin senador, Mr. Yeah, minus the whole video. I support that motion, Madam President.
Susumiti ako sa hiling ng ating SP Alan na i-withdraw ang video kung yan ang gusto. Sana kapalit niyan, ipangako natin lahat sa ating taong bayan na walang term extension na mangyayari at na may eleksyon sa 2028.
With the clarity that all of us here want election sa 2028, hindi kami papayag na walang eleksyon. Sabi ko nga, magkaroon na talaga ng kaguluhan at we will defend it with our life, the right to suffrage. So with that, Madam Chair, I withdraw also my motion to as it's already been requested by the sponsors of to withdraw the video.
Thank you, Senator Mig Zubiri.